Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 13 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish it here, and then now we're planning to go to Twinmotion now to import all of this and then start adding our materials there. But before that, I just want to add in a model text, and it's just a simple number. So let's do 001. And then let's set and pick a plane, which will be right here. And then let's click on the model text 001 and select it there. I know it's too big, but we need to edit type, duplicate 001, and then change this to probably 50. Now it's too small, so edit, let's do 200. I think 200 is just good. And then let's change this to a metal material. Anything here aluminum, that will be fine. And we're putting it there. We could even change the text here, so let's put 199. So that's good. Or let's make it lucky and put 17777. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Click on save. Make sure you're in 3D. Put it in fine. And then now we could just click on Twinmotion plugin and see in Twinmotion. So here, let's see it again. So I'm gonna click it. So we just need to click on new project. No, because it did open, but we didn't see. So now we'll be able to see everything. Well, you want to make sure to save it first. So I did save it, and then now it looks like this. So that looks nice. Let's sign in as well. So you need to go to your burger menu and then sign into Epic Games. And once you do, let's start first with the glass material. Two-side glass, and then opacity up, and then the color around dark. Okay. And then after that, we want our background. So let's go here at the setting, and then location, background, city, none. We're still in here. Materials, let's put in ground. Nature, let's put the grass right here as well at the back. And then with this, we could set up the materials for the ground. Let's add in concrete road. Number 3 here would be fine. And then for this one, let's change this to something different. Let's use this. And then up the scale. And that's fine as well. Okay. Now that we're set there, let's add in our wood materials. So let's go to our Quixel Megascan surface, wood, and then plank. And then I have some favorites here that I always choose. I want to try this. Not this one. So I would rather add this. And in terms of here, I want it to be veneer. So I want the veneer there. And then here, I'm just gonna click here. I want the color to be grayish. I don't want to overpower. So I'm gonna make it dark a bit. So now let's go to metal in Twinmotion. We could click here, reflectiveness, and then the grayish color. For this one, reflectiveness goes up. Go to setting, and you want to make sure metalness is on. And then let's make it dark. We should make this one dark as well for the mullions. And you want to make sure the setting and the metalness is on here. I want to change something here on this side because I want to showcase the different materials here. So I'm gonna save this and then go back to Revit, and then I'm going to change the materials for this side only on the outside. So I'm gonna use paint again, and then let's use something that I know we haven't used. So maybe the porcelain we haven't used. I'm going to change the materials right here. This side as well. And then all the way right here. So now we just need to save it and then load it back to Twinmotion. So now this is a different material, and once we set a stone, there we go, it's a different material and it looks nicer. Actually, from the outside point of view, this one looks very nice. I kinda like the way it is shown. I even like it for the outside here. Maybe we should do it on this side as well, but we need to do some editing as well here if we do. I'm going to change the color for this as well. So it will involve editing the and then here I think it's better if we change this part as well. So let's save this and then just go back to Revit, and only at this front we can even change the look here. I'm just thinking out the box at the moment. For me, I'm just gonna click on paint and then let's see. Maybe I'm just gonna put a random one at the moment like this, and we'll see later on how it looks. Okay, so now save it again, pull back to Twinmotion, and then now we could just change this material. We can even put brick. So something different that we should add, maybe a concrete will be nice. So let's look at quick cell surfaces, and then let's add in some stone or wood. So this will look nice as well. I could scale it up more and it will look very nice. I think this one will be good enough. In terms of the top, let's go to Twinmotion materials And then we have some roofing here. And let's add this. I think that's good. What we could do now is, the last thing we're gonna do is add grass. It will basically change or slow down our progress here. I'm happy that it changed the beetle card that we have here. I'm happy with that. We don't need to change. So clearly you won't be able to change this. I want to see if we could grade this out a little bit, or just add in a painted concrete. Pixel, surface, concrete, smooth, concrete wall. So that's fine. Maybe we should change this instead with the pattern base. I'm gonna try this Japanese concrete panel. It doesn't look good. I'm gonna try this. And then here we're just gonna darken it a little bit. So that's fine. I like the way it look. And then let's save it. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.